Okay, I'm going to show you how to annotate on a PDF. So if I go into my lesson and whatever I want to use, so I was going to do this problem set, I can open the problem set so it downloads as a PDF, and it's not letting me click. Hold on, let me move that. There we go. So now I have my PDF. I want to download it, so I'm going to click my little arrow to download, and it's probably going to make me save it. So I'm going to save. So now it should be on my desktop, and I don't know if this is how yours will do it, but this is definitely how mine is. It's making me find it. Here it is. So now I have my PDF document, and it says use centimeter cubes to find the length of each object. So for this one, I would have my little centimeter cube ruler out, and I'd have to measure it. But then if you look up here, there's this little button. It kind of looks like a little pencil or something pointing up. If you click on it, it gives you these options. So this actually does not have the drawing option. It only has the text box. So you just click text, and if you want to change your text or change the size, you can. Maybe I'll make mine a little bigger. And then you can just type in if I think this is 5 centimeters long, and then I can just drag it. And then if I want to do this one, if you just click on it, you can get some, you can get a cursor or the text box, or you can see there's this again, or you can just click text box, and then you can type in 56 centimeters, and then just make sure you drag it. And that's it. And then it'll just save as this. So when I exit out of it, if I open it back up, the answers I put on there are still there. So then once you save it to your desktop, then you can just go back to the assignment, and up here, submit, choose file, and there is my problem set. And it will have my annotations on it, and then I would just click submit assignment. So hopefully that helps you understand how to annotate with just typing.